Giving examples. Here are some vocabulary words. I want you to try and expand on the sentences that are already there and make the meaning clearer. The first word is market, and the sentence is, you can buy things at the market. What other sentences could you add on to this to make the meaning of market clearer? I would suggest you could add things like, what can you buy there? You can buy vegetables, fruit, and kitchen supplies, and so on. Clothes. In the morning, I put on clothes. Here you could expand and say what clothes you put on. I put on socks in the morning. I put on my pants and my shirt in the morning. Noisy. The baby is noisy. Here you could add, when is it noisy? The baby is noisy when it screams and cries. The baby is noisy when it screams and cries because it's hungry. Looking. I am looking for my English book. Here you could add a bit of context. I cannot find my English book and I need it for my homework. Impossible. Something you cannot do. Well, here you need to expand on that point. What are some things that are impossible? For example, it is impossible to fly. Combining techniques. So here is a task. Look at these words and decide on which techniques will be best to present them for the class. Now, remember, writing and drilling are standard practices and would be included when introducing any new vocabulary. Laugh. Laugh, being a verb, would be a very easy one to do actions for, enforcing TPR. You could do CCQs like, what makes you laugh? How do you laugh? What is the sound of laughter? You could say, tell us a funny joke, and then act the laughter afterwards. Drawing a picture of laughing would work well. Absent. This is a very relatable vocabulary word since it's to do with the classroom. You can show someone who's absent in the class if you have an attendance sheet. Maybe you can give them a quick meaning or synonym. He's not here, missing, gone. You could use it in a sentence form to give context. Cold. Being an adjective, again, it's very easy to make this a TPR action. You could use synonyms and antonyms as well, and you could use word association or mind maps. Cold, ice cream, cold, snow, cold, winter, and so on. Clearly, there are many ways to effectively present vocabulary to your classes, and the trick is to understand the class, the level, and the learner types. With younger levels especially, TPR actions, pointing, touching, physical examples will be more effective than just drilling or explaining. For the older levels, you can make use of role plays, translations, and real-world examples. Understanding your classes and their level needs is key to effective vocabulary presentation.